what we were discussing? Synthetic fibers and plastic, right? Yesterday we had discussed the one polymer, है ना? Yes, Pulkit. What is fiber? Copy नहीं. Pulkit, what is fiber? Long flexible cloth is fiber. Long flexible thread-like structure that is used to make fabric, and fabric is used to make cloth. What are the different type of fibers, Herman? What are the different type of fibers? What is the meaning of the natural fibers? Definition साथ में. What is this? बोलो मनस्व. That is obtained from nature. Yes, Raghav, Sagar. What do you mean by the synthetic fibers? Man-made fibers. Can you give me one example? Yes, Harsehaj. What is polymerization? Harsehaj. Always blank. Yes, Gurnoor. What is polymerization? Last. Yes, Bani. What is polymerization? Not like that. Yes, Javant. Polymerization by a chemical bond. Okay. Can you give me one example of polymer? Cotton. Then please tell me, Anvay, cotton is made up of what? Small units of cotton is? Small units are glucose and the big unit is cellulose. Nylon is made with amide molecules and they will form the polyamide. Yes, Mankirat. Can you please tell me the pictures of the rayon? They are cheap, okay. What is the other name of the rayon? Artificial silk. Why it is called artificial silk? It has appearance of silk, but it is prepared man-made. By artificially it is prepared, not from the silkworm. That's why it is called the artificial silk, right? Rayon mein what we had discussed, rayon plus cotton, but they will form rayon plus wool. Okay. Now today we will discuss the another polymer, that is the nylon. Nylon itself tells you कि ये कहाँ पे बना. Nylon is firstly prepared by the two cities simultaneously. दो cities में simultaneously ये बना. One is New York and London. In 1931, they prepared the stockings for this. Nylon की simultaneously in both cities they prepared the stockings, and when they sent it to the market, immediately, मतलब within a month, like all the stockings sold out. मतलब इतनी demand थी इनकी, all stockings जो हैं they sold out. ठीक है, तो nylon is a very nice fabric. That means, ठीक है, as I told you, that is the fabric stockings. So from the stocking, what are the main features that come in your mind? Nylon बना किससे है? Yesterday we discussed, अभी भी discuss करा, amide. So we can write down nylon is a polyamide fiber पूरा लिख लो. It is a polyamide. It is a polyamide fiber prepared by amide molecules. Prepared by amide, polyamide fibers prepared by amide molecules. Now what we will discuss? We will discuss about its characteristics. So what are the main characteristics? Bullets डाल के you can write down. It is very strong. You can write bullet and write down strong. I am not dictating the sentence, but in exam, all of you will write down full sentence. Strong, luster. All of you had seen the nylon stockings. ठीक है? Necktie. Boys, all of you are familiar with the necktie. Especially जो हम दूसरे डालते हैं. That is having a shining. ठीक है? वो nylon की होती है. So write down strong, luster, highly elastic, strong. Second bullet, luster. Luster means chamak. Third, highly elastic. Fourth, lightweight. Lightweight. Easy to wash. Easy to wash. Wrinkle free. Easy to wash. Wrinkle free. Does not absorb water. Does not absorb water. Dries quickly after washing. Dries, D-R-I-E-S. Dries quickly after washing. Dry, because they will not absorb the more water, so we can dry it easily. ठीक है? Dries quickly after washing. Durable, very nice. We can write durable. Cheap, right? We can write another point. Not attacked by the moth. Not attacked by fungi and moth. Again repeating सारे points. Strong, luster, highly elastic, lightweight, easy to wash, wrinkle free, does not absorb water, dries quickly after washing, durable, cheap, does not attack by the moth. ठीक है? Number of the points are there for the characteristic. Points clear है? Anyone is having any doubt in these points, then please ask. Okay. Now we already discussed the characteristics. Now where it is used. So the next is uses. We will write first लिखो due to high tensile strength. Tensile strength क्या होता है? Without breaking. That means it can hold the weight without breaking. Due to high tensile. Due to high tensile strength, it is used for making फिशिंग नेट्स. समझ आ गया? कहाँ यूज हो रही है? फिशिंग नेट्स में, क्योंकि इसकी टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ स्ट्रॉन्ग है. इट कैन बियर अ मतलब लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ वेट, इट कैन बियर विदाउट ब्रेकिंग. सो इट इज यूज टू मेकिंग द फिशिंग नेट्स. आगे लिखो फिशिंग नेट्स. और क्या होता है इसमें? क्लाइंबिंग रोप्स. क्लाइंबिंग रोप्स and parachutes. Due to high tensile strength, it is used for क्या बोला मैंने पहला? Fishing nets, climbing ropes, parachute. P-A-R-A-C-H-U-T-S. Parachutes. C-H-U-T-E-S. हाँ जी. It is used due to wait a while. Due to high tensile strength, it is used to make the fishing nets, climbing ropes, parachutes, and strings of rackets. जो बैडमिंटन वाले rackets होते हैं, strings that is also made with this. strings of rackets, strings, strings of rackets, raquets, rackets, strings of rackets. Second लिखिए, bristles of toothbrush and paint brush. Bristles जो toothbrush है, bristles जो हैं, these are also bristles, BRIS, bristles of toothbrush and paintbrush is also made by this, is also made by this. बैडमिंटन, हाँ, शटल कॉक में नहीं, वहां पे कहाँ पे, ऊपर वाली में, हाँ, स्ट्रिंग्स उसमें वी कैन. नेक्स्ट लिखो, it is used in textile industry, that is the main basic point. Used in textile industry for making sarees, shirts. It is used in making it is used in textile industry. It is used in textile industry for making sari, shirts, necktie, socks, etc. It is used in textile industry for making, ठीक है, फॉर मेकिंग कुछ भी लिख लो ना, साड़ीज, नेकटाई, सॉक्स, शर्ट्स. नेक्स्ट लिखो, नायलॉन प्लस वूल इज यूज्ड टू मेक कारपेट्स एंड सूट्स. नायलॉन प्लस wool is also used for making carpets and shirts, right? Next likho, it is used to make machinery parts. It is used to make machinery. Example, washers. It is used to make machineries like washers and pulleys. Used to make machinery like washers and pulleys. Next लिखिए, is it clear बेटे? Any doubt? Synthetic है ये, and this is like, these are not used to absorb sweat. Next लिखिए, polymer, that is polyester. After nylon, we will discuss the next one, that is polyester. Next लिखो, polyester. Write down polyester के point. Same as we had discussed that cotton is made with the glucose units, ठीक है, nylon is made with the amide molecules. In the same way, polyester is used by ester. Ester से बना होता है. What is ester? No need to learn, like I'm just telling it. Ester जो है, that is having a fruity smell. Ester की fruity smell होती है, right? एग्जाम्पल इसमें लिख लो, पॉलिएस्टर में टेरिलीन, टेरीवूल, टेरीकोट. एग्जाम्पल है टेरिलीन, टेरीवूल, राइट? अब हम इसके लिखेंगे करेक्टर्स. Write down characteristics. Same characters most probably as we had discussed about nylon. Same characters हैं. Write down light, light in weight, light in weight. First character हो गया light in weight. Strong, right? Light in weight, strong, elastic. Mostly same है. Light in weight, strong, elastic, absorb less water, absorbs less water, नहीं, absorb less water, dries quickly, it dries quickly, wrinkle free, wrinkle free. Is it clear बेटे? Characteristics are okay, light in weight, ठीक है, then strong, elastic, absorb less water, dries quickly, durable, like all these are the main points. Is it clear बच्चे? Next लिखेंगे हम इनके uses. Write down their uses. पहला लिखो, write down uses. It is used for making, it is used for making sarees. It is used for making sari, dress materials. Polyester is used to making sarees, dress material, curtains, curtains, etc. Curtains, etc. Second main लिखो, it is used to make sail for sailboats. Do you know the meaning of sail? Do you know what is the meaning of sail? Yes, the cloth. That is pirates वाले में जो आप normally you had seen the movies and all that, जो yachts होते हैं, जो cloth hang होता है, that is the sail. That is used to make the sails for sail boats. Clear? Next, used to make horses. Used to make horses. Horses क्या होता है? Fire extinguisher, जो pipes they are using for fire fighting equipments, that is called hoses. जो pipes होती हैं when they are spreading the water, hoses. So it is used to make hoses for fire fighting equipments. For fire equipments. नेक्स्ट लिखिए, हाँ जी बेटे, हॉसेस पाइप्स जो फायर फाइटिंग यूज करते हैं फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर के लिए, दैट इज हॉसेस. जो वो पाइप्स होती हैं वो स्पेशल मटेरियल होता है, दैट इज द, क्योंकि व्हेन द वाटर प्रेशर इज टू मच हाई तो वो बियर एंड टीयर कम होती हैं, दैट इज हॉसेस. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट देखिए, इट इज यूज्ड टू मेक conveyor belts. Used to make, have you observed the conveyor belts? Anyone know conveyor belts? Aeroplanes need, when airports पे या when the you can see in the factories material pass on होता है, रोल होता है, ठीक है, अपने आप जो नीचे क्लॉथ है दैट इज जो है दैट इज पॉलिएस्टर, दैट इज कन्वेयर बेल्ट. कन्वेयर बेल्ट्स मींस जैसे यू कैन से ये क्या कहते हो, व्हीट मिल्स वगैरह में जहाँ पे, दैट इज कन्वेयर बेल्ट, जो रोल ऑन होती है जिसके ऊपर से चीज पास होके नीचे आएगी. हाँ हाँ, आप एयरपोर्ट्स पे जाते हो, आपके ब्रीफ केसेस अपने आप रोल होकर आते हैं, दैट बेल्ट इज द कन्वेयर बेल्ट. ठीक है जी, इज इट क्लियर जी? यहां तक किसी को डाउट? एनीवन? ओके, देन वी विल डिस्कस अ वेरी स्मॉल टॉपिक दैट इज गिवन इन योर बुक. पेट. पेट, PET, पेट, that is polythene In some books you will read about like this polyethylene. ठीक है, polyethylene para phthalate, polyethylene terephthalate, PET, PET, that is full form polyethylene terephthalate. ऐसे ही करा मैंने. Write down. It is a polymer used to make, is a polymer used to make bottles, used to make bottles for selling oil, for selling oils, soft drinks, जो वो bottles हैं, these are made. Soft drinks for selling oils, soft drinks, etc. It is a polymer used to make bottles for selling oils, soft drinks, that is cold drinks, etc. Next लिखिए, used to make, it is used to make synthetic clothes, used to make synthetic clothes which are easy to wash and wrinkle free. Yeah, which are easy to wash and dries quickly या wrinkle free. Which are wrinkle free. Okay, last point लिखो इसका. It is used to make films. Films means जो rolls होते हैं, photography and all that, जो films होती हैं, it is used, or even the scan करने के लिए जब scanning है, there films are there. It is used to make films, utensils and wires. Stop talking. Utensils and wires. It is used to make films, utensils and